Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. And we are going nuts this morning. Courtesy the folks at Regal. The wide range of Regal nuts is simply amazing. Nuts is something, you always, over the holidays, you just find yourself...
It's a quick thing to put on a table, full people up. You give them some drinks, you give them some nuts, and they're good to go. And as you said, Regal has such a wide range, and besides the nuts, they have chana, they have split peas, so what more do you want?
Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is not just putting nuts on the table for you. She is creating something that is in front of me that looks like a nut bread of some sort.
No, it's a nut loaf.
It's a nut loaf, excuse me. It's a nut loaf.
Nut loaf. So we use the cashew, but the plain one, not the salted one, the unsalted one, and we use almonds in it, right? Which is what I have grind up here.
So you ground it. That's food processor? Food processor?
Food processor. I soaked it for a couple of hours, maybe about 2-3 hours to soften it.
Right.
And then you just want it to be coarse. You don't want any powder because you still want that texture in the nut loaf.
So not a fine grind.
Not a fine grind. No, coarse grind.
Nice. Okay.
Right?
Okay. Recipe ideas continuing here on A Cup of Joe, folks. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is taking the simple nut grain by Regal and going to create this lovely nut loaf. Let's go, Chef Cheryl.
So we're going to put some olive oil in our pot. Right? We have onions. We saute down some onions.
So this is not a sweet loaf, this is a savory loaf.
It is a savory loaf.
It's a savory loaf.
Right?
So this could go good with my ham.
Yeah, it will go good with your ham. Yeah, make people feel you're healthy. Right? So we put in some carrots, some sweet pepper.
Right. Onions, carrots, sweet pepper.
Onion, carrots, sweet pepper inside of there. Right? Let that saute a little bit. Now inside here, I already have the black beans. And surprisingly enough, the quinoa is also from Regal.
Okay, because quinoa has its own Regal.
Right.
Quinoa as well.
So you're smelling those aromatics coming out already. So we're going to add some garlic in there. Now we have some spices in this as well. So I have some cinnamon and turmeric. We add in there. Some jeera. Some oregano and some parsley, and we stir that up. Smell that? Smell it.
Whoa.
Right?
So yeah, because you get that cinnamon clove.
Right, kind of thing. I love to put cinnamon in anything.
Yeah, you like cinnamon.
And these sticks, if I'm cooking, I put, like if I'm making curry too, I put these cinnamon sticks in it.
It gives it something a little different.
It's different.
Yeah.
Right? So once we finish sauteing that, we add it into the quinoa and black beans.
All right, so just also no flour here at all.
No flour here at all.
No flour in this loaf.
No flour in this loaf.
So quinoa is kind of the base for the loaf?
Yes, quinoa is kind of base. We put some apple. I have some apple here with some lime juice, because we're going to put a little acid in here as well. So I'm going to throw all of that in there. And then we have our coarse ground almonds and cashew.
Whoa. Okay, this is...
So this could be a meal by itself.
Whoa.
And believe you me, when you eat it, you may want to eat it just straight like this. Now, what is going to bind it, hold it together, as you said, it have no flour, is eggs.
How many eggs do you have?
So we have 3 eggs here.
3 eggs.
Right? And you're going to bake it in an oven at 350. Now, dependent on the size of the dish, is going to take maybe about 45 to 60 minutes. Right? So the smaller your dish is the less time it's going to take to bake. So you make sure and you combine it properly, get everything mixing together. Look how that's looking.
Yeah. So this is actually a kind of a healthy nut loaf as well. Because
it is a healthy nut loaf. It is a healthy nut loaf. And as you said, if you're feeling a little guilty to eat all of that ham and stuff, you make one. It could go well maybe with your turkey, your ham.
So the scallop potatoes I did at the top, the ham scallop potatoes, which I know you couldn't. I know you couldn't eat it because chef.
Because you're bad like that.
Yes. Chef doesn't do meat and ham and so on. But this can go with my ham.
Yes, it can.
I could eat lots of ham with this.
Right. So we put it in a baking dish. Now what we want to do as well is we want to pack it down. right?
Right.
So that it holds together.
Right, right.
And as I said, 350. This may take about 35 to 40 minutes, this size, to bake until it holds and gets nice and brown. And then what I did is I sprinkled some feta cheese on top of it. So put it in our
So bake in the oven for no more than about 35 minutes.
That size.
That size.
If you have, yes, if you have a bigger dish,
size, yeah.
it's going to take maybe about 60 minutes.
It'll take an hour to bake.
To bake, take it out, let it cool a little bit in the pan,
Right.
and then you flip it over. As you see, I have some greens around, and I put some feta cheese on top. If you don't like feta cheese, if you have any other type of cheese you want, you can put it on top of it just to give it a little extra oomph.
I'll take this with me.
With your ham.
I'll take this with me. My ham is in the back.
So, and I'll take the nuts.
And you take the nuts. Well, I thank the folks at Regal for making this possible, guys. Wide range of nuts. So don't, when you buy the nuts for the holidays, it's not just to lay on the table or snack, but you could also make this wonderful nut loaf from that Chef Cheryl did with us this morning. Check us out on our social media platforms, guys. You can get this recipe. Thank you, Chef Cheryl.
You're welcome.
I'm taking the entire.
Okay, no problem.